Listen, I generally don't review makeup products, but I click self-portraits. A lot of them. And building a character from scratch is really difficult without makeup. Okay, a light too. For these pictures, I became the perfect Bengali woman. For these pictures, I became the princess warrior. And for these pictures, I became Meera. And all of these could have been possible only because of makeup. So here's an honest review of my glam makeup products by a self-portrait photographer. Before starting this video, I just want to mention that I have not applied any kind of makeup except for moisturizer, sunscreen, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner and lipstick. Rest of the things I am going to talk you through while applying it and giving my honest review. Firstly, it's getting pretty sweaty because the fan is off, so let's do something about it. This is the My Glam Lit Radiant Compact Powder. If you know me, you know I love compact powders, but this one is special. Why? Because although it is a compact powder, but the finishing it gives is of a loose powder, which is like a game changer. So it comes with a mirror, an applicator and a transparent cover like any compact powder. Now since it is not exactly like a compact powder, you cannot use a stiff brush like this. Rather, you have to use a more fluffy and flowy brush like this. So let's start applying it. So I have applied it on half of my face and half of my face is still oily. And I'm sure you can tell the difference. Now let's finish the other half quickly. Now being a loose powder, it has no to sheer coverage. But just imagine the matte finishing it can bring on to your makeup look. So the quantity is 9 gram and the MRP is $4.99, but I'm sure if you visit the website, there must be some kind of discount going on and you can get it in something less than that. The packaging is really great, travel friendly, compact as I like my makeup products, which you'll eventually find out. All in all, a great investment, especially for a photographer because I want that matte finish on all my pictures. I don't want my skin to look oily or greasy on pictures, right? So I'm definitely going to pick this up in the future. Next up, we have this My Glam Chisel It palette, which has my heart. And this is something I am going to keep repurchasing. Let me tell you why. First of all, let me show you how gorgeous this looks. Obviously, the mirror might look a little dirty because as I mentioned, I have been using all these ever since they came in. Now, the best part is it comes with a highlighter, a blush and a bronzer. Which means I don't need to carry these three things separately. I can carry just one palette and half of my makeup is done. It's travel friendly, especially when I'm going somewhere else to shoot something. It's very on the go sort of thing, like you can just take the palette out, take a brush, take some blush and with the help of the mirror, you're done. That's how on the go, that's how compact it is. My blush is done. Let's do the bronzer. For this, I'm going to use a foundation brush like this. Did I just use a bronzer to contour my face? Yes. Does it work? Yes. Does it look naturally finished? Yes. Have a look at this picture and see how chiseled my face looks, and that's exactly what this palette claims. And what is the best part about this palette? The highlighter. Definitely the highlighter. Again, have a look at these pictures and see the highlighter popping. You don't believe me? Let me show it to you. This is what it looks like in one application. You can obviously build it more, but for a natural finish, I think this wins the game. The built-in of this compact is very sturdy. You can take it, you can travel with it anywhere in the world and it is going to stay as good as a new palette. Each of the product is of 4 gram and in total it is of 12 grams. And it cost for 1250 rupees, but as I mentioned before, if you visit the website, there must be some kind of discount or sale going on, so you can get it at a pretty affordable price. Also, just divide the price into 3. 400? 54s are 12. Yeah. So you're paying around 400 for each of the products, which is not a bad deal. This is something I'd highly recommend, especially to my self-portrait photographer friends out there. The popping highlighter is a must for my pictures. I can click my pictures without anything but my highlighter. The highlighter has to be there and it has to pop in the picture. Last but not the least, I have this mini 4 eyeshadow palette. So ever since this was launched, I saw it all over the reels and I wanted to try it out as soon as possible. First of all, look how cute, mini and compact it is. The shades are perfect for any Indian skin tone. You can blend all of them together. You can use one individually. This palette specifically is matte, it's not shimmery. And let me give you like a pigmentation test. Just look at that pigmentation. Obviously मैंने अपनी स्किन पे कोई प्राइमर नहीं लगाया है, कुछ नहीं लगाया है. So if you are using it over an eyeshadow primer, it will stick easily and it will stay for longer. I think किसी भी eyeshadow palette को judge करने के लिए सबसे पहली चीज़ हम उसका pigmentation देखते हैं. And if the pigmentation is this high, you have to get your hands on it, right? क्योंकि कई बार होता है that I want to play with colors solely. तो उसमें जो मेन फोकस होता है वो कलर्स पे ही होता है या आई शेडो पे ही होता है और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ आर्ट वर्क दैट्स गोइंग ऑन योर फेस. So during those time or those shoots, I'm definitely going to use this. Obviously over a good primer and everything, तो तब तो pigmentation इससे भी बेहतर होगा. So this is 4 grams and I'm assuming 1 gram each eyeshadow and it comes for $299. How freaking affordable is that? आपको 300 में 4 कलर्स मिल रही हैं एंड एज आई मेंशन्ड बिफोर, वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे तो कुछ ऑफर्स तो चल ही रहा होगा. सो जस्ट सी हाउ अफोर्डेबल इट इज, हाउ पिगमेंटेड इट इज एंड लुक हाउ कॉम्पैक्ट इट इज. इट ऑल्सो हैज दिस मैग्नेटिक लॉक सो दैट अगर आप इसे लेके ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो ये गलती से खुल ना जाए. इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रेशर लगता है खोलने के लिए. ऑल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर सो ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली दैट मैं इन्हें अलग से इसीलिए रखूंगी कि जब भी मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ मैं इन्हें तब लेके जाऊंगी. बाय द वे, वन सीक्रेट अपडेट, आई एम ट्रैवलिंग नेक्स्ट वीक. कहाँ, ये आपको अपकमिंग वीडियोज में पता चलेगा. बट टिल देन stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn the bell notification on. So yeah, that's about this review. I hope you enjoyed this review coming from a self-portrait artist. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this review by a self-portrait photographer, because I do a lot of makeup on myself for the pictures I click. And if you haven't seen my self-portrait photographs yet, you have to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.